You can take such beautiful pictures with just one clip-on stove. Even with just one clip-on stove, you can take very beautiful pictures. In this video, I will show you how to use just one clip-on stove, the differences in the various ways of applying it, and finally, how to make your subject look more attractive. The stove I'll be using this time is the Kodox V1, and I'll be shooting with just one stove without any accessories such as a softbox. First, I attach the clip-on stove on top of the camera and aim it directly at the subject. The strong shadow of the subject against a white background creates a cool image. If the camera is in portrait orientation, the stove will be on the left in this case, and the shadow will be on the right. Next, try bouncing the clip-on stove off the ceiling. Since the ceiling is white, soft light from above hits the subject. The light is now generally circulating around the subject, creating a bright image, but it feels flat. The light seems to be spread out too much. Now try bouncing the clip-on stove off the white wall on the left. In the same way, the bounced light is softened and hits the subject, but this time the light is coming from the side, creating a beautiful gradation of lighting and a three-dimensional effect. It looks very nice. Finally, remove the clip-on stove from the camera and attach it to the stand as an off-camera stove. This stove is bounced off the back left wall high up. Then, to reflect that bounced light back to the subject, a large white reflector is placed in front of the subject to the left. Let's take a picture. The bounced light in the back left hit the hair, creating a beautiful hair light. The light bouncing off the white reflector hits the subject with soft light, making it very beautiful. Even with only one clip-on stove, it is possible to take such beautiful pictures. This lighting is versatile and can be used for both close-ups and full-body shots. Isn't it interesting? Please give it a try.